how do I use negative targeting Amazon PPC and when should I actually apply it? Whenever you're negating keywords, it means that you are using keywords that are totally not relevant to your product that you don't want to show up for. There are two options how you can negate keywords. One is going to be an exact match, meaning that whenever someone is going to type that exact match, Amazon is not going to show your product for it. There's also a phrase match. For example, if the word paper is a negative phrase match, it means any keyword that contains the word paper are not going to show up. So what I would highly suggest is use exact match rather than a phrase match, because you don't want to end up by mistake to add a keyword that is very relevant to your product. Yet if you're going to add it as phrase match, you're not going to convert. You can negate on a campaign level, and then you can also negate on an ad group level. Now here, quick feedback. If you're going to create a new campaign in Seller Central, you can negate on an ad group level. Only you cannot negate on a campaign level. And this is something that you're going to see only once that you created the campaign. I like to negate at an ad group level simply because then I know that anytime we are negating something, it is on an ad group level. We are not using more than one ad group per campaign. So if we are creating one campaign, that one ad group is going to be negated with the keywords that we're adding. So that is just our process to keep things simple. If you want to do the negation via campaign level, it's totally fine. It's just like for us to have it as a system. If anyhow, when you're creating the campaign, whatever negatives you're going to add is going to be on ad group level. And if we're using only the one ad group, we thought it's more logical to moving forward only negate on ad group level rather than campaign level.